got a small project for you guys today. My neighbor brought me this, and it's to hold the crank of a Subaru, I believe. Subaru engine. He's a Subaru mechanic. So as you can see, it's missing 2 of the pins here. So what I'm going to do, and these are not good. This one's bent. This one's spinning. So I'm going to grind the rivets, the heads off of these. And then I'm going to take my micrometer and I'm going to go to the hardware store and I'm going to try to find some grade 8, hopefully, hardware that will fit in here, and then we can cut the threads off. I mean, it's kind of what this looks like right here, if you see. It looks like a bolt that had threads cut off. But anyway, I'm sure it wasn't. But so I'm going to find the right size, and then we're probably going to have to drill these out because they're probably a little bit undersized, and then we'll weld the bolt heads on the back side. And we'll wrap this thing up. So let's start by grinding the heads of these bolts off. Now we're gonna knock, hopefully, these should knock right through. So let's loosen this up. All right, yeah, you can see these pins are stepped. We're just gonna go straight through with them. I don't think the clearance on the back side is that big of an issue. So yeah, we're gonna go to the hardware store and get something that matches this. That's it. You know, I threw some paint just on this side and kind of wiped everything off of everything else because it's all got this anodized coating on it. It's kind of, you know, beat up, but it's been keeping it from rusting this whole time. So I just got the paint or the primer on the back side here and kind of on the sides. But that's it. This tool can go back into service. And yeah, I wonder what my neighbors will bring me next to weld. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it and click the bell to get notified when I put new videos out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.